Huawei P20 Pro rival is being announced tomorrow, and here is what it could deliver. Huawei P20 Pro has a rival from LG called the V40 ThinQ that is set to drastically challenge it with a similar triple camera setup. Here is everything the device could deliver. Huawei P20 Pro took the smartphone market by storm when it released earlier this year. That is because the device not only featured a unique camera system, but it also touted a score of flagship specifications. Huawei P20 Pro came packing a 6.1-inch AMOLED display, 6 GB of RAM and a snappy Kirin 970 processor. We loved the Chinese flagship when we reviewed it at express.co.uk, awarding it top marks. Technology editor David Snelling said, "Huawei has been making smartphones for years, but nothing has grabbed our attention quite like the P20 Pro. This flagship easily keeps pace with the competition, and in many ways it actually outclasses its rivals. The P20 Pro is up there with the best of them, and we wouldn't be surprised if Huawei's trophy cabinet isn't full with awards by the end of 2018. But LG is set to debut its V40 ThinQ smartphone in full tomorrow, October 3. The company confirmed last week the Android device will come with 3 sensors on its rear. And video was showcased by the South Korean tech giant of the device with its 3 lenses stacked in a horizontal line. And now it appears more information about the phone's camera system has emerged. Notable tipster Evan Blass tweeted an image that appeared to detail the functionality of the phone's rear sensors. Blass claimed the phone will feature a standard, telephoto and super wide-angle lens. LG is renowned for its wider sensors and most recently featured one in its G7 ThinQ smartphone that launched earlier this year. Moreover, the tweet from Evan Blass also insisted the hardware will tout 2 front-facing sensors. He claimed one would be standard and the other would also offer a wide-angle look. If LG's new Android flagship does arrive with a wide-angle sensor on its rear, it could allow the phone to differentiate itself from the P20 Pro that lacks such a feature. Instead, the P20 comes with a standard, telephoto and monochrome sensor. The latter is used to capture greater amount of details in photos. The LG V40 ThinQ was also claimed to feature a new CineShot mode that would allow users to create a cinematograph. Video of the alleged mode emerged courtesy of Gear that displayed the unique functionality in motion. A cinematograph essentially combines a standard photo and video by keeping certain objects or people in motion while the rest of the image remains still. While LG has only teased the functionality of the V40 ThinQ so far, fans of the South Korean tech firm will not have to wait long to see what the phone is capable of. LG will be discussing its new flagship tomorrow, October 3.